What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own site with a blank template tutorial on Wix. So first you need to head over to your Wix website and then you need to log in with your credentials or account credentials. And after that on the left side you will see your site section, click on that and then here you will open all your sites that you have created. So to create a new blank site, you just simply need to click on this create new site here on the right side and then here you have the option to use your own template, use Wix editor or studio blank canvas or studio template. I'll click on studio blank canvas because we want to create a blank website. So as you can see, the Wix blank editor has been opened. So from here you can just simply type in your business name. Let's say I have clicked here, and from here I can just simply erase this text and I can write whatever I want to write, and I can also enlarge the logo, or I can also change my logo if I want to. So as you can see, it has the option to change the vector art. These are the settings, and when I click on settings, if I want to add a link, I'll click on this add a link and then I can add a link, and it will ask me what is this vector art. So whether it is home page or the about page, I can specify that. And when I click on these three dots here, you can see there are multiple options to cut, copy, paste, duplicate an element. So let's say you have copied any logo, you can just simply paste it here. I will just simply delete it, and here I can just simply add a new cell, or I can add my own logo, whatever I want. And after that, on the right side, you can see the header design, the footer settings, and the layout of your website. And on the left side here, you can see this plus icon to add your elements. So if you want to add an image, you can click on this image and then you can add an image. Let's say I have an image ready. So I'll just simply drag and drop it here, and I will just attach my picture. And if you also want to create an AI image, you can also do that. If you want to add a title, you can just hover this title section here. Then you can add a title, and if you want to add a paragraph, you can hold, drag and drop the paragraph section here. Same is the thing with button, container, section, stack, lines, menu, gallery, repeater, video players, and you can also add your custom code to your website. And when you click on these assets here, you will see all the designs and all the videos that you have created. And in the design kits here, these are the multiple design kits that you can get started with. In the sections here, you will see multiple sections which are pre-built. Like if you want to build a welcome section, but you don't have time to build it from scratch, you can just choose it from here. Let's say I like this one. I'll just simply drag and drop it here. And as you can see, the welcome page has been set. And let's move to the another steps, which are the wireframes. So in this wireframes here, you have cards, spotlight, text, slideshows. You can just simply choose any design from here, and then you can edit the text according to your wish and requirements. And in this container section here, you will see multiple empty containers that you can choose. And in these containers, you can just integrate your image or your text or your any of the link, whatever you like. And these are the layout tools, like these are the multiple section grids that you can choose from if you want to add multiple sections to your website. And if you want to add multiple stacks, you can do these by just clicking on stacks, and you can just choose the design and then you can edit on your own. And if you want to get repeaters, you can choose from these. Here are multi-state boxes, the tabs. What I mean by tabs is if you want the website to be like the next page, you need multiple pages on a website, or you need a single page website, you can just choose from these, because if you want multiple page website, you need to have some tabs of your website. So you can choose, and you can also search for another pre-built tabs in your websites. And in this coding section here, you have multiple designs, and in the CSS grid you can just simply add a grid, or you can just add your custom coded CSS grid. When you click on this text here, you can choose from these text styles: the collapsible text, the text mark, the text mask, the text on path, the text effect. The text on part is an interesting thing. You can just write your text in a designing format like this, like this. As you can see, the text is floating here. So this is how you can just write it in text on path. And when you click on these buttons, here you can add these buttons in your website, like style, animated, and pay buttons. You can also add them too. And in the menu and search, here you can just add the home, about button, menu buttons. Multiple buttons are available. You can choose from that. These are already pre-built, so you can just simply drag and drop it on your website. And in the media section here, you will see all your media, and you can also see the pre-built images made by Wix. In the decorative section here, you will see basic shapes, vector arts, and vertical lines, horizontal lines, arrows, text mask, text effects, videos or video box, which are transparent videos. And in the input section here, you will see uh, anything that you want in the website to get the data from. Like if you want someone's address, signature, email, you can just add that, and then uh, you have the custom text box or email box ready without any code and without anything. Just simply drag and drop from the Wix features. You can also start a blog, the store, bookings, events, and there are multiple tools. And when you click on these layers, you can add multiple layers to your website. These are the pages, like how many pages have you done on your website. And this is the virtual sitemap, like the sitemap of your website. And when you click on the site styles, here you can choose multiple styles like your website colors, your text fonts. You can choose multiple things, and in the media, that is the same. You can upload any image or video in your media in your website. And in the global sections, here you can see the header and footer section of your website, and then you can edit it from here. And in the app market, you can integrate different apps to your websites if you want to, like any marketing app, any selling extensions or service and events extension. You can add multiple extensions, and when you click on my business, here you can find the multiple application related to your business needs. So you can just simply install and add it to your website. When you click on the CMS, you can also manage your content with CMS, and you can just simply start now and start integrating it on your website. And when you click on this code from here, you can just simply click on the start coding, and then you can just embed your custom code, and then this will appear in your website. And when you are done setting all of your website, on the right side you can just simply click on this publish button. So this is how you can create a blank tutorial website from scratch from Wix. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.